Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly move or jump from one open app to another without opening recent apps. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, say let me open some application, say just Google Chrome application. Let me minimize it. Let me open the settings. Let me minimize it. So I've opened some application right now. So in order to quickly move or jump from one open app to another without opening recent apps, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this display option. Just scroll down below and just click on this navigation bar and kindly select this swipe gestures. So if you're using a buttons navigation bar, then select the swipe gestures. So right now I have already selected this. So firstly select the swipe gestures option, and after that you can see one horizontal line at the bottom, as you can see here right now. So now what you need to do is say let me open one application right now. So let me Google Chrome again, and now just touch this bottom horizontal line and you can swipe either right or left, whichever direction you want to use. So you can see here, so you can use the right direction or left direction in order to quickly move or jump from one open app to another, as you can see here. So by using these cool tricks, you can quickly move or jump from one open app to another without opening recent apps very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.